Alright guys, here's a screencast for Wednesday the 14th in English 9. Today we talked about the format for the first couple days next week briefly. Be sure to check your email if you haven't already and understand what Monday and Tuesday's transition days work like. Today what we talked about was on the nonfiction portion of the page. We looked at the logical fallacies group slideshow, which students helped us to create. In there you'll find definitions and examples for 8 of the logical fallacies that we talked through today. There's a sheet here that you can take notes on, copy and paste to use for notes, and then there's a logical fallacies quiz which is located on GoFormative, and you can use your notes. You can use the slideshow to make sense of the 8 questions on this quiz. Basically you're taking 8 sentences and determining which of the 8 fallacies is existing in each of the sentences. Shouldn't be that big a deal, but that's your final points of the term. I appreciate your efforts. Sorry you missed us today.